Hi guys and welcome to Koi Lounge Zurich. So we are mainly a koi shop and have all the koi and material you need for that. But also we have some aquariums and dry goods for aquariums, and I'm gonna show you around. Just follow me. For example, in here we have very nice Kano Nisai. Kano is a breeder from Niigata with really nice fish, nice colors, perfect. It's a pretty new breeder, as we were used to have mainly breeders from the Hiroshima region. Now only also some from Niigata. In here we have really nice Nisai at a bigger size. Most of the Showa are Isa Showa, really nice quality as well. I mean, this is my favorite pond. So this is my Sorgoy pond, Sorgoy fish farm. I mean, quality is just amazing.
It's crazy, it's good.
It's absolutely fantastic. We have Nisai, which already have 65 cm. It's a little bit difficult to see the actual size in here. Maybe we can show you some of them a little bit closer afterwards. But they are really nice. And for the serious koi hobbyists, this is the pond you have to look at. So in here we have also Nisai, a really nice mix from different breeders, Omosako, Oyama, Matsue, really nice fish. So in here mostly everybody will find a nice fish in here.
That is amazing, and yeah, there's some really good quality. A lot of Yamabukis, I see a lot of Kujakus, and don't forget, guys, these fish are really big already. Look at those fish kissing each other. You saw that, guys? That was crazy.
Or fighting for the food left over from before.
I think that was it. So yeah, and again, like Philip says, these are some beautiful Isa Showas, and it is hardly to miss the quality of Isa. You can really recognize the quality of Isa wherever you are in the world. We just turned the lights on. We had them off for a little filming, of course, but the cool thing is the lights go on at 10 a.m. and they close around 5 p.m. They shut off
6:30.
6:30
when we close the shop.
When we close the shop. So the koi have their moment of daylight. Well, they have daylight actually, but their moment of light, and of course also their moments of rest. So I saw a lot of round tanks over here.
Yes.
But now I see something really beautiful. These two beautiful ponds in the middle of your store.
Yeah, we used to work with the round tanks before, but we just added the bigger ones, the square tanks, because it's just better to actually see the fish. You don't need a bowl every time to have a closer look. Here you can just follow the fish swimming around and you see all the behavior of the fish. How is it swimming and is the body looking good? So it's really nice. And also for the fish, it's a lot better if they have space to swim, because when they're just in a round tank, they just wait for the food coming in and they don't actually move. And to build up muscles and have a really nice body, we experience that the bigger ponds are a lot better.
Yeah, and from a perspective as a customer, watching the fish from above like this, because we're on a higher level, is the best experience to choose or pick your new koi.
Philip, another thing, because I know in that pond is a very special fish, but how do you filter your ponds inside here?
Yeah, I mean, again, as you can see, crystal clear water.
Yeah.
And crystal clear water is Oase. Again, Oase power. I mean, excuse me, but they're a little bit hidden, so
no worries.
I will show you the filtration system. We have the L drum filters from Oase doing their job, and they're doing a perfect job with expert pumps, premium UVC lights from Oase as well, and then we use biotowers. It just
works. And so
yes.
when something works, they always say never change a winning team.
Yes, That's absolutely right. What we do here for this pond, we added trickle filters as well, which give a little bit of extra to the whole filtration system. And just to tell you a little story, yesterday we lost one pump. So it was the first pump which broke, but it can happen. I mean, it served for 10 or more years, so after 10 years it can break. But actually, when I arrived in the morning, all the fish were really fine because we have these additional trickle filters which provided the fish with enough oxygen and water movement. So it's all also
As a
a
backup.
safety reason for the backup. Yes, exactly.
Amazing.
And here we have many varieties, but for the koi they're from Omasako, the Shirotsuri. You see like this, that is an Omasako Shirotsuri.
She's so white. The color
Yeah,
is...
they're just perfect. I mean, for Shirotsuri it's just Omasako. We also got Sakai Company, Kujaku, Kohaku, Matsue Kohaku, and many Okawa fish in here. Okawa is also great because they have lots of varieties. Also really nice Karashigoi come from Okawa, but also the Ginrin. Sorgoy here
Yeah, they're amazing. They're beautiful.
is from Okawa. Yeah, I mean, here are all the different breeders mixed together. But when we have an import, we have a quarantine facility where we put the fish first, separated by breeder, and then when they're all clean and everything is fine, after quarantine we put them here together.
And then there was one fish I immediately saw when I came into the store. And there is a kohaku in here, and she is bigger than 1 meter in size. And Philip can tell everything about it.
That is a 1 meter, 2 centimeter kohaku from
Tokigawa.
Tokigawa.
Tokigawa used to be the breeder for a Sakai fish farm before. That's quite a long time ago. He's running his own farm and he's making lots of nice koi. Not so well known, but really good quality, and he knows what he's doing. Besides Tokigawa, I have very nice kohaku, like this one. They're from Matsue.
I like the Matsue kohakus.
Yeah,
The bodies are
Matsue is
insane. Yeah. There she goes. This one.
Yes. Also this one as well.
And I love the Benny. And the Benny, for the people that don't know it, is the red on the fish. These fish are absolutely very high level, and I love
they're
them
stunning,
a lot.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. And the other kohaku in here are from Sakai Fish Farm, also really nice. In my opinion, there's a very special fish. It's this Sanke.
Wow. Look at that.
It's got now 80 cm and it's only 3 years old.
That's crazy.
So also for Sakai, that's
and
quite
I
rare.
have seen the certificate from
Yeah.
Sakai Fish Farm, the original one, guys. This fish is just over 3 years old. It's
Yes.
crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy.
There is one variety I really like, and you don't see them that often. I almost wanted to buy one today. Philip has these beautiful Sorgoys and a very nice Ginrin Sorgoy. To get these Sorgoy such clean and this big size, I don't see them in Niigata. I don't know which breeder you bought them from.
Okawa.
From Okawa, but they are insane. All right, we're lucky. Philip is going to get a net so we can see one of the fish, some of the fish up closer.
So let me show you one of these Sorgoy.
Wow. Look at that. Look at the body. And this fish is 80 centimeters.
No, plus. It's bigger. And then when you look at the kokenami,
Wow, so she is over 80 centimeters. And look at the skin. It's like 3D. Look at that, guys.
Yes.
And this is...
that's called the kokenami. That's the skin between the scales. I mean, it looks like three-dimensional. It's just fantastic. Also the body, I mean, it's stunning.
such a beautiful fish.
And they will keep growing.
Unbelievable. Look at that. I love I love Sorgoy. It's one of my favorite varieties.
Now we've seen a lot of koi, and on the other side there's our aquarium area where we have also most likely everything, or yeah, You know, that's always the case with us. We start somewhere, and I thought, okay, let's make a small aquarium area, and it has grown and grown, and I still come up with new ideas what we could add. So if Ivo is coming back in 4 years, I promise you it will be all different again. We also have additional features in our shop. We have a screen where you can have a look at all the products we have. You could go to, let's say, shop and see what we offer. All the nice Oase products are here.
Oh,
so
wow.
if you need a pump, you just click on it, and then you can really compare what kind of pump you need, or what the advantage or maybe disadvantage of a specific product. And this is just an additional feature in our shop.
But it's crazy. This is insane. I've never. I'll bet some dealers around the world will call you and ask how you got
Yeah.
this screen, because this is next level. This is how you get your customers into your store. So if you're a dealer and you're watching, guys, and there's a special feature you showed me as well. So for example, if we go back to the drum filter, if there is anything you need from a customer experience point, you need a spare part or you need some information, you go to this side, you click on the filter system, and look at that. Now the magic is going to happen. You click on the drum filter, the ProView Premium XL, the biggest one.
with all the different products in this family.
Here you go, guys.
So you got all the information about the filter, whatever you need, and then also you have the possibility in ordering the spare parts, so you can use that, and then you would see, let's say, number 16, and then you just order number 16. So you have everything online. That's also on our website.
And
if
you have
someone
it in
wants to
here
check
and you
it.
just ship it, or people can pick it up.
Yes, absolutely.
That
and if we
is-
don't have it here, we'll ship it very quickly.
Philip, this is insane. You have improved your store in the last 4 years to this crazy things. I know you build a lot of koi ponds as well at the moment. Guys, this is what I love. I love to see the journey of people, dealers, hobbyists, everyone in our industry, because that means the industry is growing. Beside that, thank you for the visit. We have to run because
you.
we are going to do some pond visits right now. Of course, with some Oase products. So if you want to see some of those pond visits, click on one of those links and you will see one of the beautiful ponds Philip and his team built here in Switzerland.